In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable text to shorts in CapCut, fast and easy. Whether you're creating content to engage your audience or simply looking to enhance your video storytelling, integrating clickable text can make a significant impact. So let's dive into the process together. First off, we're going to start by adding a text layer with a compelling call to action. Think about phrases that encourage interaction. For example, something straightforward like "watch full video" can capture attention and guide your viewers on what you want them to do next. You can achieve this by heading to the text option in CapCut and typing your chosen message. Now that we have our text, let's make it stand out. One effective way to grab attention is by using bright, vibrant colors combined with bold fonts. This helps your message to pop against the video's background and ensures that your audience notices it immediately. Play around with the color palettes and font styles available in CapCut until you find the combination that suits your video's tone and content best. Once our text is striking, we'll bring it to life with some animation. CapCut offers various animation options, but for eye-catching effects, you might want to go with options like pop, bounce, or slide in. Each of these adds a different dynamic to your text. Pop is sudden and likely to grab immediate attention, while bounce is playful and engaging. Slide in can be elegantly timed with motion in your video. Test these out to see which complements your video's style the most. Now let's decide where to position this text for maximum impact. Generally, placing it near the center or bottom of the screen is a good choice. These areas tend to naturally draw viewers' eyes when they're watching a video, which means your clickable text is more likely to be seen. Additionally, positioning it here avoids any clutter at the top of the screen that could distract from the message. Finally, consider the timing. The key to effective clickable text is making sure it doesn't just sit on the screen unnoticed. To optimize visibility and engagement, time the appearance of your text to arrive just before a cut or a punchline in your content. This ensures the text appears at moments of high viewer engagement, increasing the likelihood that viewers will act on your call to action. By following these steps, you can seamlessly incorporate clickable text into your shorts using CapCut. Not only will this enhance your video's visual appeal, but it will also encourage interaction, helping you connect more effectively with your audience. So go ahead, experiment with these techniques, and see the difference it makes in your content's engagement levels.